Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to be doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. Now I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm scared, I'm probably going to look like a mess, but we shall see. So I have all my makeup laid out in front of me because, let's be honest, taking it out of bags and places and drawers is going to take way too much time, so it's just sitting in front of me, which it normally would be anyway, so I don't really know where I'm going with this makeup look. I don't really know what I'm doing in this makeup look, so we're just gonna wing it and hope for the best, which probably isn't the best idea, but it's what we're gonna do. So my sponge is already wet. It would usually already be wet anyway. I ain't getting 10 minutes to go with this. So my timer is set for 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see that or not, probably just. So we're gonna get started. Oh! Before we get started, I'd just like to say if you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. All my social media links, if you would like to follow them, are in the description box as always. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so I'll see if I can put a timer on the screen. I'm not sure if I can, so if I can't, I'm sorry, but we'll see what I can do. Okay, are we ready? I'm not ready. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing my foundations. I'm not really going to talk too much during this because, I feel like I'm just going to run out of time. That foundation's like almost empty. Okay. Mixy. I'm not bothering with primer because this is probably going to look atrocious and I'm probably just going to end up taking it off anyway. Oh my god. Okay. This is stressful. Oh my god, we're already on 8 minutes. Holy poop. Okay, I don't know how people get ready in 10 minutes. I cannot. I've never gotten ready in 10 minutes. I honestly don't know how people do it. Like, what the heck? I like a good coverage of my face, but I don't think that is going to be achieved today. Oh my god, I don't think my arm is like literally hurting. Oh my god, 8 minutes. The last little bit of foundation and blend it on my neck. Oh my god. How do people do this? Superwoman or something. Alright, next is concealer. Let's go. Ow, that pimple. Look how it's not. Huh. So concealer has pretty much just gone everywhere. Totally fine. Getting my powder ready whilst I'm blending because multitasking. If you're wondering why I keep looking to the side, it's because I'm looking at my viewfinder on my monitor. Okay, I think that's the best we're gonna get because we're at 6 minutes 30, roughly. Okay, set with powder, just on my sponge again. Oh my god. Almost at 5 minutes. Holy poo. How do people do this? I don't understand. Oh god, I just scraped foundation off my nose. Cool. Good job. Well done. Alright, now where's my powder puff? Oh my god, I'm losing things. There it is. Got it. Oh my god. How am I going to fill my eyebrows? I'm not. Oh my god. There's no way people do this. This just doesn't, it's not real. It's powder my eye. It's fine. Soldier on. Oh my gosh, seriously. I suppose if you did this enough and practice it enough, you'd probably get super good at it, but I don't do my makeup in 10 minutes. My redness is not covered. It's totally fine. Right, big fluffy. Ow, my elbow. I think I'm gonna have to fill my eyebrows. There's creasing. Oh gosh, finish is coming off. Okay. No, it's not. Just pretend it's not. Just put more powder on. Fix the problem. Okay. 4:33. Holy poo. Alright, eyebrows, 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 eyebrows. Where's my eyebrow brush? Oh my god, oh my god. There it is. Eyebrow comb. Oh my gosh. Okay. Screw those little suckers. My eyebrows usually take me 10 minutes. It's really sad to say, but it does. Oh my god, no. My eyebrows are not going to turn out good. Oh no. It's already going pear shape. Oh gosh. If anything is going to look good, just let it be my eyebrows. One eyebrow done. Kind of lucky in a way that my eyebrows aren't too hard to fill in. Saying that though, I do need to pluck them because, let's be honest, they're a bit overgrown. Oh my god, 2 minutes 20, are you effing serious? Right, screw it. Where's the, set the brows, set the brows, set the brows. Right, put on mascara super quick. It's probably the most natural makeup I've ever done in my life. Oh my god. Alright, don't have to do it. Oh my god, 50 seconds. Are you serious? Alright, let's put some lip gloss on. Oh my god, that lip gloss looks horrible because I have foundation lips. I'm gonna quickly try. Oh my god! I'm gonna quickly try and bronze with like 10 seconds left. 7. Oh, okay. Oh. That was very stressful. Holy poo. Okay, well, doesn't look too bad, but like, it's not what I would normally like go for. So I'm not hating on it. I don't hate it, but you know, there's aspects of it that could be better. My eyebrows, for doing them in like 4 minutes or whatever it was, pretty good. Mascara, yeah, cool. My base, I would definitely like way more coverage. Like, no, that's not covered enough for me. And the lip gloss is just like mashed in with like the foundation on my lips, but because I usually wipe that off, but I didn't have time. This is probably the simplest I've done my makeup in literally so long. Like, I've never just had eyebrows, mascara and lip gloss on. And like the time it's a bit of bronzer which you can't even see. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Hope you enjoyed watching me like stress and freak out because it was kind of funny. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment also down below of future videos you want me to make. I'd really love to know. I want some suggestions, some new fresh funky ideas. So if you have any, please leave them down below. Again, thanks so much for watching. Bye!